Hello again, everyone. So here is the correction of the part 3 of the Axios project. So here is we want to merge the part 1 and part 2. Remember, part 2, when I do a search, play, I do a request, and in response I get an array of movies, right? When in part 1, what I do is that I take an array of movie and I display it in the DOM. So the part 3 is to take this array of movie and display it in the DOM, all right? So all we want is to have this array of movie in the parameter of this function, okay? So we only have to merge it. First, put the code of your function display movie list of exercise 1, okay? So exercise 1, so I'm gonna go to exercise 1. I'm gonna get display movie list. I'm gonna put it here. All right. And second part, add a condition before displaying, what does it mean? The movies in the DOM. You need to check that the parameter list of movies is not undefined and not null in order to run this code, all right? Exactly. If it's undefined, if the response of the request is null or undefined, you should not run this code because it will create a bug, all right? So what we want to put is if list movies is not undefined and the other one is list movies is not null. So here I'm going to put parameters. Then you can run this code, all right? So you need to have this condition before. Awesome. So I'm going to delete this part, sorry. Okay, so now we have our display movie list. It's almost the same. The only difference is that wait, we don't need this. For which one is this? The only difference is that you check that the parameter is not null or undefined, all right? To not have a bug. Second part, display one movie. So it stays the same. So we're gonna copy paste it. Here we go. Right here. Okay. And now we're gonna do the display search. So we're gonna first get the code of display search in part 2. Right here. We copy paste it here. So here we go. So now we need to know where do I put my display movies, all right? So what we want is that here we have that actually our movie list is equal to response data search, right? So this is our movie list, and we just want to display movie list of movie list, right? Because this is an array of movies, and this will take an array of movies and display it in the DOM, okay? And now we're gonna have, let's see what happens if I run this. So it tells me that I have a mistake already right here. All right, I need to close this function, right? And now let's see what happens if I do this. it does not work. So let's see why. Display movie list is non-defined C. I wrote it wrong, so I need to correct it here. There's only one T. Small mistake. Let's do it again. And now we have what we want. Incredible. Incredible, incredible. Thank you very much for following, and if you have any questions, please send me a message.